Hi students, welcome back to the IT class. In the last class, we had discussed about subscript and superscript and also completed the activity including header to a document. Today, we are going to start another activity, that is including footer to the document. Click on Format, Page. Then click on the footer tab here and put a tick mark on footer on. Remove the tick mark from same contents on left and right pages. Then apply OK. Now take our document. Then type the required text in the footer. Now I am typing Information and Communication Technology. In the second page, I am typing Standard 9. Now see the next pages. Look, in the first page, it is seen Information and Communication Technology. Second page, Standard 9. Then it will automatically come to the next pages. In the third page, it appears Information and Communication Technology, and in the fourth page, Standard 9. Clear? Our next activity is arranging the text in columns. For that, click on Format, then Page. Here we can select the Columns tab. Look, we can see the number of columns here. Here it is written 1. That's why our page contains only one column. We can change the number of columns here. I select 2 as the number of columns. Then apply OK. Look at the changes here. Now, our next activity is to include a picture in our document. You have already studied the method of including a picture in your document, right? For including a picture, click on Insert Image. Then select the picture you want from the school resources and click on Open. While including the picture, we can see that some of our text is misplaced. So to retain it, we can use the Wrap option. Right click on the picture, select Wrap. Then select Optimal Page Wrap. Then we can arrange the picture and adjust the size. Okay. Our next activity is to include a table into our document. You have already studied the method to include a table in your document, right? For that, click on Table menu, then Insert Table. We can give the name here. Here I am giving the name Short Story. We can provide the number of columns and number of rows here and click on Insert. We can use this shortcut tool also for including a table. Okay. Now give the required text here. If you want to include a heading here, we have to insert another row also. So, place the cursor, right click, take the Insert option. We can see a set of options. Rows above will help us to include a row above the row where the cursor is placed. Then rows below will help us to include a row below the selected row. Same is the case with delete option also. Now our new row is ready. We want to type the heading here. am giving a heading short story. When I type the heading, it is seen in the first cell only. So, to make the entire row as a single cell, we can use merge cells from table menu. Table merge cells. Now, as this is the heading, we want to arrange this heading at the center of the table. We can change the width of the column or row by clicking and dragging the desired row or column. Okay. Okay children, our second chapter is over. We will start the third lesson in the next class. Thank you for watching.